Hello, welcome back to the shop. In today's video, we are going to deal with a common problem that everyone has in their households, possibly today. That is the tired, old, worn out cushion. I've got a client that's bringing in a set of cushions and we are putting new covers on them, but this is what it looks like coming in, and she's brought me the same fabric, but what these could, she said, is there any way we can make these cushions look like new? And right off the bat, I know a lot of things that are wrong with these cushions. For one, the foam in them is probably not sized properly, and that's the reason why it's so loosey-goosey here. And you can tell here, there's a lot not filling it out. So we're gonna take these cushions out, and I'm gonna show you some tricks on how you can make this cushion fill out and look like a brand new cushion. Now, if you've got an old steamer, it doesn't have to be exactly, now I've got a good steamer here, but there's a lot of steamers that you may have at home that for doing curtains and dresses or whatever, that might be sufficient enough to actually use to rejuvenate the front of your cushions where you get the most warmth. Here's an example of a cushion that is broke down in the front and how you can take a steamer and revitalize this foam. Now, because our foam is what we think is undersized, I'm going to add a 1-inch medium foam to this front and also on this T. Now, that's something that you could do if you had to with just spray glue and some foam, if you can get access to the foam. But for those of you that are just trying to revitalize your cushion, getting it to this point, steaming it out, and then even just having a rapidacron on it is going to make a big difference. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you the full steps I do to get it properly sized again. Is probably the 1-inch foam we're going to put on here can be cut with just a pair of scissors, so you don't need a special saw for that. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this dacron off because it's not going to fit the new foam, and we're going to start with all new dacron on it. So it'll have an all new crowning and then wrap, and then we'll put it back in that down tick, and then we'll put that back in the new cover. All right, a third option you might use is to take your old foam to a local upholstery supply company and have them recut you new foam in the same thickness and the same size. Now, I'm not sure every city has one, but you might check and see in yours. And this is in case for any reason you want to completely replace your foam because it's been broke down due to excessive wear, years of use, and even possibly Henrietta hippos showed up at your house and squashed them out for a week. And remember this, if Billy can do it, anyone can do it.
What?